How are you doing, folks? So I'm just getting warm here in Canada. We're in Markham, Ontario. I'm on the Natalie McMaster and Donnell Leahy Christmas tour. It's been incredible. We've gone from West Vancouver, Ireland, all the way across Canada, Winnipeg, etc. Every night's been sold out. It's a real honour to be out playing guitar and melodeon for Natalie and Donnell and the rest of the band and crew. It's been fantastic. So I was just practicing, and yesterday was the anniversary of the wonderful piper from Scotland, Gordon Duncan, who has been a big influence on my tune playing. I can't play pipes, but I just, the guy was a genius, and I was lucky enough to be asked by Ross Ainslie to participate in the first Gordon Duncan tribute concert. I was with Session A9 at the time, and I did it a couple of years, and it was a real honour. And anyway, I apologise now to you, Ross, because I'm probably going to play this tune wrong, so apologies, Gordon. But anyway, Gordon's spirit still lives on, and I'm just going to have a little whirl at press for time. Anyway, any melodeon buffs, I'm playing a C-sharp D G. And it's got a funny bass configuration. It's a Sauterelle Laurentide. It's a great box. I got it from the music room a few years ago, and it was made specially. I was really lucky. This one was made specially for me in this tuning. And anyway, apologise if I'm playing the parts wrong. It has been a while. I play a lot more guitar nowadays than I do box, so a little out of practice, but we'll see how we get on.